Hello and welcome. Want to chat with Qwen AI in your browser? I'll show you how to start a conversation in under 2 minutes. First, open your favorite web browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Brave, whatever you like. And then type Qwen AI in your search bar and select the official website from the result. Once you select the official website, look for the chat window. It's usually right there on the homepage. Click or tap on the chat window to start a conversation. You're now ready to chat with Qwen AI. Type in your question or message and hit enter. You'll get an instant response from Qwen AI. And just like that, you're chatting with Qwen AI right from your browser. Quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.